Yo, what's up guys? So Butatoy once again. Okay, so for today's video guys, I'm just going to share to you a little bit of tips to enhance or to improve your gaming experience game. Okay, so this is only based on my experience guys ha. So what I'm doing guys is to finish my quest faster. For example, this one I have 120 monster to kill. So first of all, you need to find party. But if you can't find party guys, there's another way to finish your quest fast. Just hit a monster, okay, and then click the tab so that it will transfer to other target of monster. The most important thing guys is you can hit the monster and then it will be counted as one on your quest. Okay, so another thing, if you are having a lag on your game, for example you are lagging, especially when you are on the dungeon, okay, this one guys here, Eretel Temple, I swear to you guys, it's so lag. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so since I already show you where's the mostly lag part of this game, we're going to go on that Eretel Temple so that you can see what I'm talking about here guys, because it's lag here because the main reason is there's a lot of players. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of players in this area, in this map. So see, as you can see, I'm lagging. Okay, that's lag, that's fucking lag. So how to deal with that lag? The one solution guys is to change channel on your map. Okay, fuck, it's lag. Sorry. Okay, just wait. Okay, here you just click on your upper right side of your map guys, and then you will see the CH. Okay, CH, this one, CH means channel. So click it and then just wait for, see, it's lag, that's what I'm talking about. And then just click the channel 2 because you will see the channel 1 is congested and then the channel 2 is vacant. So it means they don't have a lot of player on the channel 2, so just click it and move there. Okay, now we are on the channel 2. So this is what I'm talking about. Less player, less lag, and you can play much better. So as I noticed, a lot of players here don't know to change channel. That's why they are all congested on channel 1. That's why it's lag. So just a few players know, maybe they know about these tricks. So that's why I'm sharing it to you so that you can enjoy your game. See, now it's not lag. Okay, I'm going to sit on this map. Okay, and here once you are level 36 guys, 35, 36, you will be on this area of map. Okay? And the monster here is so tough. So first thing you need to do is to find the party. If you can't find the party, just hit the monster, join them like that, so that your quest will be finished as fast as you can. So that's it for today's video. Let me think about something else that I can share to you guys. And last thing, another thing, last one. So as you can see, I'm tapping my screen, right? So it will go there whenever I will tap. So one thing I noticed, once let's say you want to make a party and then you tap someone and it will miss your tap, so it will be start walking, going to the specific area where you touch the screen. So to avoid that one, much better you go to settings and where is it? Convenience. Move by tapping the ground. Just switch it off, and then you're good to go. See? Okay, just like that. So you can click anything, anyone, everywhere, whatever you like to do on this game without letting the character keep moving. Okay. So I hope this video helped a little bit on your gaming experience, and enjoy gaming, guys. See you on our next video. Babush.